Hi everyone, my name is Abby Andrew and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. In today's video, I'm really excited to show you our brand new releases from the Alexander Couture Collection. Here are the two new styles that I'm going to show in this video. We have Brooklyn in Silver Brown MR on my left, and then we have Harriet in Beige Brown on my right. Brooklyn is a gorgeous, heat-friendly synthetic wig, and Harriet is a beautiful human hair wig. And both of these, again, are fabulous new releases from the Alexander Couture Collection, designed by Alexander Turnbull, someone else in our social media family here on René of Paris, award-winning hairstylist and wig stylist. Fabulous collection if you haven't checked it out. There's really something for everyone in here. But in today's video, we're going to focus on these two gorgeous new releases. So let's go ahead and put them on. The first of the new releases is this one that I'm wearing now. This one again is called Brooklyn, and the color is a brand new color as well, Silver Brown MR. There are a couple of gorgeous new colors that just came out with this release, so definitely check out the catalog on our website, reneofparis.com. Brooklyn is a beautiful, heat-friendly synthetic wig, so it comes with these really beautiful, natural-looking beach waves, but you do have the option to style it in a different way if you prefer. Of course, if you're styling a heat-friendly synthetic wig, always check the heat limit on the tag before doing any styling, and always test on a small piece in the back just to make sure that it doesn't damage your wig. This wig has a really nice bang here that you can either choose to wear straight across as a front bang, you can brush it to the side as a side bang, like that, or you can push it all the way back, especially because this wig features a lace front and a lace part. That allows you to really brush back the style and still have the natural looking hairline on the front as if the wig is growing right out of your own scalp. And with that lace front, that also extends to the part on the left side, my left as I'm wearing it. So you have that really natural effect going all the way back. Close up. Here's what Brooklyn looks like all the way around. Here's what the inside of the cap construction for Brooklyn looks like. Here you have that lace front and the lace part on the side. You have that really durable cap on top here. The open wefting on the back, which is also really stretchy, so it fits a lot of head sizes, as well as the adjustable straps at the nape of the neck. So this generally fits a wide variety of head sizes with the adjustable straps. And the second new release that we have from the Alexander Couture Collection this season is this one here, the gorgeous human hair wig, just a little bit past chin length. This one is called Harriet, and this color is beige brown. Now the selection of colors between human hair wigs and synthetic wigs does vary, so there will be a different list of colors for the human hair wig, so you can check out all of the different options available for this wig on reneofparis.com. This wig also features a really nice lace front and lace part, so you have that really natural looking effect if you pull the hair back, which also goes down with the middle part here. This is how Harriet came straight out of the box, so it does have some really nice styling done to it already. It really is a ready-to-wear, out-of-the-box human hair wig, which you don't find very often. So the lace comes pre-trimmed, ready to go, and the style that it comes with out of the box is already so nice. However, of course, because it is a human hair wig, you do have more styling flexibility in terms of changing the way the hair is styled. So you could choose to add curls, you could change the way that the hair falls in the front with these face framing layers, so you have a lot of flexibility there. Here's what Harriet looks like all the way around. Here's what the cap construction looks like for Harriet. So you have that lace front and the lace part here down the middle. You have the open wefting on either side. Piece of durable wig cap here, open wefting on the back, it's also nice and stretchy, and the adjustable straps at the nape of the neck to make sure it fits your head size. So those are the two new wigs that just came out as part of the Alexander Couture collection this season. We have Brooklyn, which was the beautiful heat-friendly synthetic wig that I showed at the beginning of this video, and then we have Harriet, which is this beautiful human hair wig. Let us know in the comments below which of these two wigs you're most excited about, which one you think you might be adding to your collection. Personally, as someone that changes up my wigs on a near daily basis, I'm gonna have so much fun with both of these in my collection. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you want to learn more about either of these wigs, you can check them out on reneofparis.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube and follow us on Instagram to stay up to date on all of our latest releases. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.